Dehumidifying basement without dehumidifier. Basements are often damp and humid, which creates the perfect environment for mold and mildew to grow. 6 risks of not dehumidifying a basement on time. Structural damage to your home's foundation and walls, as well as warping or rotting of wooden support beams and floor joists. Mold and mildew growth on walls, ceilings, floors, and furnishings. Mold will grow and release mycotoxins into the air you breathe. Damage to expensive electronics, musical instruments, antiques, and other valuable items from excess moisture. Water will damage your walls, floors, and furniture as it seeps in and freezes. Your electrical wiring will corrode, increasing the risk of a fire.